Hello guys, welcome to the Intrusive. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn vocabulary is known as lexical resources related to crime and law. It is episode number 32 and you can check all the previous episodes on our channel. In the last video, we have covered these three words. The first word was pivotal. It is adjective and a pivotal role, point or figure in something is one that is very important and affects the success on that thing. The second word is archaic. It is adjective and archaic means extremely old or extremely old-fashioned. The third word is disciplinary and it is adjective, and disciplinary bodies or actions are concerned with making sure that people obey rules or regulation and that they are punished if they do not. Now, before moving to our next words, I want to announce that we are providing writing correction service. That means if you are stuck at band 6.5 or less in writing section, you can join our Facebook group and it is really helpful. So don't forget to check the description box. The link is there. Now let's jump to our first word, parliamentary. It is adjective and parliamentary is used to describe things that are connected with parliament or with members of parliament. The synonyms could be governmental, legislative. The example could be, he used his influence to make sure she was not selected as a parliamentary candidate. And the collocations, parliamentary party, parliamentary assembly, parliamentary democracy, parliamentary election, parliamentary candidate, parliamentary seat. The other things related to parliamentary, parliament, it is countable and proper noun. The parliament of some countries, for example Britain, is a group of people who make or change the rules and decided what policies the country should follow. The example could be the parliament today approved the policy but it has not yet become law. The second word is forbidden. It is adjective. And if something is forbidden, you are not allowed to do it or have it. The synonym could be prohibited, banned, vetoed, outlawed. The example could be smoking was forbidden everywhere. The collocations could be forbidden fruit, forbidden the use. The other things related to grammar, forbid is verb. And if you forbid someone to do something or if you forbid an activity, you order that it must not be done. The example could be she was shut away and forbidden to read. The synonyms could be prohibit, ban, disallow, proscribe. The second word is intrusive. Something that is intrusive disturbs your mood or your life in a way that you do not like. The synonyms could be interfering, disturbing, invasive, unwanted. The example could be, the cameras were not an intrusive presence. The collocations could be, there are no direct collocations related to word intrusive. And the other things, adverb is intrusively and noun is intrusiveness. Up next, we will cover the word very and very, gross and many more. Until then, like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to check the link in the description box. Thank you so much.